Hey everyone, today we are going to be doing a unboxing, initial setup and initial review of the Realme 50G Smart Scale. This has just been released in Malaysia and I bought it on pre-order for 99 ringgits. That's about just over 20 US dollars. The box itself is fairly big, about like 40 cms by 40 cms with very bright yellow color. Let's have a look at the box. Now this is the bottom. Some of the highlights: sleek durable design, 50 grams resolution, store multiple profiles, long battery life, apparently up to 360 days. Also tracks your heart rate, not sure. And it does 16 types of health measurements, your weight, your fat scale, I think this is like body fat index, body shape, I have got no idea how it does that, BMI, I suppose you have to key in your height in the application, muscle mass, body age or your measured body age, basal metabolism, lean body weight, moisture rate, muscle rate, visceral fat level, that's your abdomen fat, skeletal muscle, bone mass, protein, fat mass, and heart rate. I don't suppose most of this will be 100% accurate. Of course the weight will be, but let's have a look. And it actually works, and it requires the Realme Link app, and we will set up this and link to the smart scale afterwards. So other than that, nothing else. Let's basically do an unboxing. I haven't set this thing up yet, so I believe the registered price or the market price is about 140 ringgits. So I got it at about maybe 30% discount. So this is the scale. Okay, glass with 4 metal tips, supposed probably to measure the resistance and conductance of the body. 4 legs, and these legs, there's some pressure sensor on it, I think. I'm not sure, it actually like wobbles a little bit. The battery, let me just like remove the battery. There we go. Okay, how do we, okay, this thing comes off. So this is actually AAA batteries, so it requires 4 AAA batteries and it comes with the unit. Suspect I've got to change this to something that will last longer. So let's put this thing back. Okay, what else is in the box? There is a manual, quick start guide and so on. We'll leave this aside. Let's have a look at this. I'm gonna like move this away. There we go. Okay, that's pretty flat, and it just fit on exactly a 30 cm tile. So I'm just going to move. Okay, so it's the Realme Link app. Now I've installed it beforehand because it needs a bit of tweaking. It actually requires a phone, but I've got it installed onto a tablet. Requires GPS and Bluetooth to be turned on, and after you install it, it actually requires you to open an account. I don't have good thoughts about that, but it has to be done. If not, I cannot use the app. So let's start the, this is the Realme Link app, and this is a tablet. So once you've installed the app and created an account, and you got to enable location services and Bluetooth, so you got to turn on location and Bluetooth to add a device. Let's click link to a device, and then under the Realme Link app, you can see band, watch, earphones, and health. Okay, and remember that Bluetooth and location is actually turned on. So let's go to health, and that's the Realme Smart Scale. Let me just make sure that you can actually see this. Okay, so turn on the app. Let's go back, set up your account, and then under home, link to a device, band, watch, earphones, health. So click health, then you can see the Realme Smart Scale. Now I've got to like probably activate the scale, so I'm just gonna says place the scale on a flat surface and stand on the scale and wait for the screen to turn on, and then click next. Okay, let's see. I'm standing upside down, of course. Okay, screen turn on, and I'm gonna say next. Configure, connecting. Okay, it's done, it's connected. Try now. I guess I have to agree. Right. So I've got to set up all of this. Okay, that's about right. Okay, save. Okay, let's see, what else am I supposed to do? Okay, I think this is set up, so I might need to step on it, I guess. Okay, let me just take the measurement now. Okay, that's done. Okay, let's ignore. Let's do a measurement again, just to make sure that the foot should be on both of those electrodes. Just making sure again. Just go step and step. Okay, now it's taking my weight. Okay, now it's tracking my heartbeat and all the other measurements, I think. Okay, so that's done, I think. Alright, and then let's have a look. We'll just say claim for myself. Alright, so that's the measurement done. So the initial one wasn't a measurement. Right, so set goal to manage your weight. So let me just set a goal. Let's say my starting weight, start date, target weight, set to 72. Done. Okay, so you see a goal line, and that's the current weight. Okay, let's have a look and see the stats. Okay, let me just show you the stats. Okay, BMI 25.8. This is based on the weight against the height that I've put in. Percentage of body fat 16.9. Looks ideal. I'm not sure if that's ideal, but muscle mass 61.4 kg. I don't think I have that much of muscles. Biological age 38. Body fat, visceral fat, metabolic rate, lean body mass, muscle mass, percentage, body water, bone mass, protein, skeletal muscle. So let's have a look at body weight. So I possibly need more water at 60.4. So you know what I'll do? I'm gonna drink a lot more water right now, and then see if this changes. This is my standard body water measurement at 60.4 at the moment. Okay. And then if you don't want it, you can actually delete this measurement. Okay, let me just put this thing down. I'm going to go drink like a whole liter of water right now. Okay, so I've drunk like at least half a liter of water, no? So let's step on it again. Okay. So you can actually see my weight just gone up because of the water that I've drunk. So let's have a look at body water. I think was it 60.1 just now, so this is a bit higher. Okay, so basically this is what the measurement is, and over time I think it will show you the change graph. You can see like this is on the same day across different time. You can actually check the change over time. Okay, now other than that, it's just a weight scale with historical tracking. So for every measurement, it basically gives you the scale, mass in body mass, muscle mass, biological age. Let's look at it again. So the top portion shows you the weight across time. Every measurement gets saved, and you can set a goal. So after I drank some water, it says that I've gained weight. That's great. BMI. Let's click BMI. I need to lose some weight clearly. Okay. Then body fat percentage, muscle mass. So apparently I've got good muscle mass, not sure. Biological age, I'm just stuck at the middle. Body fat, I don't think I've got ideal body fat, so this probably isn't accurate. Visceral fat, probably high, I think. Let's have a look, see. Basal metabolic rate, lean body mass, muscle mass percentage, body water, bone mass, protein, skeletal muscle. Okay, so what else is there? Let's have a look at what this thing is. Right, so this is an analysis built across time to see a trend. So this is not available since I just got this. This would be settings, device info. Okay. Well, that's basically what it is. So let me have a look at this over the next few weeks, and then see what I find out. And then of course I will want to compare this, which is a newer device, compared to what I was using previously, which is the Huawei scale. So that's it, and I'll see you in the next video.